Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you what I bought at Stradivarius for this winter. So I went to the complete opposite. I bought everything in light colors, in beige. Since I mostly wear dark colors during the winter, I wanted to change it up a little bit this year and choose some light colors. I'm also going to link all the codes of the stuff I bought so you can easily find it online, on the shop, or in the store. So let's get started. So this is the first piece. This is this turtleneck top. It's really soft and it's so affordable, and I'm so sad I didn't get it in other colors. I really liked the light purple one they had. Hi guys. Say hello. Hi guys. I really love it. I'm probably going to get other colors as well since this is really awesome. So next up are these pants. I really like them. They are like these coated pants, leather-like, and every year I get them in like a black color. I really love them. Every winter I get like these are not leather, these are like coated pants, and I get them in black. But this time I wanted to change up and I got these in like a beige color, and it goes super nicely with this top. So the next item are these boots, and I'm so glad I bought them because now I can combine lighter pants with these lighter boots since most of my boots are black. And the last thing that I got is this coat. I'm not sure if you can see. I have to find a better filming place, but I hope you can see it. And I really like it. It has these little 3 buttons here, and I think it is super cute. It's not too long. I think it goes super well with the boots that I got. And that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and please comment down below if you would like me to do more haul videos and if you found this one helpful at all. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!